Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to log in to BullX Neo in 2025. So step 1, visit the official website. Open your browser and go to bullxneo.com or launch the BullX Neo app if you are using a mobile device. Step 2, click login or connect to Telegram. On the homepage, tap or click the login button in the top right corner. Step 3, enter your credentials or accept the connect to Telegram. Type in your registered email address or phone number along with your password. If you signed up using Google, Facebook, or another third-party option, select that method instead. Step 4. Solve the CAPTCHA or verification step if prompted. Complete any verification like CAPTCHA or email OTP confirmation. Step 5. Access your dashboard. Once you logged in, you will be redirected to the main BullX Neo dashboard where you can monitor your investments, transactions, and tools. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.